Chocolate cake, that's exciting. I'm gonna wrap this up. We're pretty much done. Whether this is your 15th year or your first year, on behalf of Julie, myself, staff team, the board of directors, thank you for support. And join me in one last round of applause for the incredible Derek Fay!
I won't provide this time, I promise. I just want to say what a great honor when Keenan reached out to me, asked if I would come and MC this event. He actually gave me the wrong date. He said it was Friday, June the 5th, and I said, oh my God, I'm going out of town, I can't do it. And I was so disappointed. He said, oh well, I'm not asking anybody else, we'll just do it in-house. And the next day he emailed me back and said, no, it's okay, it's Thursday, can you do that? And I said, absolutely. And it was a great pleasure to work with this group. You guys are one of the most inspirational, most appreciative group of people I've ever met. And I do hundreds of events over the last 11 years, and this is on top of my list of working with Live, Work, Play. And if I ever, unfortunately, lose my job at Rogers, I'll be applying to Live, Work, Play.